Andrew, and we have my Godzilla here. We just opened this, and the other videos, I said that. So I made 3, and you see all the characters right there, and this guy, there, there's the swords. So,
what does he do?
He wants his swords, and he flies.
Who does he battle? Does he battle Godzilla?
He battles Crane.
Crane?
And Master Strutter.
Oh.
And
what does Godzilla do?
he destroys monsters.
They don't fight each other?
Nope, but this episode does.
Oh. And are you going to show me?
Yeah. So. From a long distance underground, there's 5 Ninja Turtles. 4 Ninja Turtles living underground. And